Today we are performing experiment number 2. Test the performance of the given IGBT. First we can see the full form of IGBT. IGBT is the insulated gate bipolar transistor. Over the other type of transistor devices, it is the high voltage capability, low on resistance, ease of drive, relatively fast switching speed, and combined with zero gate to drive current makes its good choice for the moderator speed. It has high voltage applications such as the pulse width modulated, then variable speed control, switch mode power supplies, or solar powered DC-AC inverter and frequency converter applications operating in the hundreds of kilohertz range. In this practical, student will able to determine the dynamic input impedance of the IGBT from its transfer characteristics and output characteristics. This is the symbol of the IGBT. 3 terminals: gate, collector and emitter. Here they are giving the MOSFET symbol. Then these are the characteristics of IGBT. This is the transfer characteristics. When voltage increases, current also increases. At some time, voltage become constant and current rapidly increases. In the output characteristics, mainly when the voltage increases, current become constant at some voltage. In these characteristics, we are going to constant the gate voltage, and then VCE vary and IC measured in these characteristics. Let's see the circuit diagram of IGBT. In this, we are giving the 0 to 30 volt power supply connected here, V1, then one resistor here, then IGBT is connected here, IRG 4BC20U, collector, gate and emitter terminal, then R2 resistor 220 ohm. Then here we are connecting the current meter, then variable voltage connected here, V2 power supply through power supply. This is the circuit diagram of our circuit. Let's see practically IGBT characteristics. Let's see the circuit of the characteristics of IGBT. Here the circuit of characteristics of IGBT. Here mounted the IGBT inside of the front panel. This is the connections connected here. This is the voltmeter connected. At the point of voltmeter we are connected the multimeter here for collecting the gate voltage, measuring the gate voltage. Then we are using other two multimeters also. Here we are connecting one voltmeter, then this is a current meter across the collector to emitter. Connections are very easy. There are two knobs for varying the voltage, and by varying the voltage we are constant voltage of between the gate to emitter first for output characteristics, and by using this knob less constant the voltage initially VGE at 5 volt. Then we have to calculate VCE and IC. Now we can vary VCE voltage 0.1, 0.2. We can write down the reading 0.2, 0.02. These are the readings 0.4, 1. Now see, if we are increasing the voltage but current become constant. Here at the point voltage we are increasing but current become constant at 0.8 milliampere. These are the readings for 5.1 volt constant, then 5.2 volt constant, then 5.3 and 5.4 volt constant. We are taking 4 readings for output characteristics. In this we are getting the 1.1 current, then 1.2 become a constant if there is a change in voltage but current become a constant. Likewise in this 2.3 become a constant current, like in 5.3 also or 5.4 volt also. These are the characteristics plotted here on the graph. X-axis we are taking VCE, then y-axis we are taking IC current. Then see, these are the readings for 5.1 volt, VGE 5.1 volt. Then taking the points, plots the points for first observation table for 5.1 volt. Then second 5.2 volt, second plot for reading plotted for the 5.2 volts. Then 5.3 volt VCE varying and IC calculator for 5.4 volt also. Likewise we are observing the output characteristics of the IGBT.